Hello students, I am Miss Hemlata Bath and I welcome you to my class. This is the second video made on the lesson action words. Okay, so in this video we would know how to add S or ES to the action words. So previously we have studied the lesson one and many, right? And in that video we studied how to add S or ES to the naming words. So the rules are very same, but this is for action words. So we add ES to the action words ending in X, SH, SS, S, TCH, O to show the action word. Okay, and generally we will add S to the action words. Clear? So this is the rule when we add S or ES to the action words. And here three more rules are written which you must learn properly. First is when we talk about one person, animal or thing, we add S or ES to the action word. And when we talk about two or more people, animals and things, we do not add S or ES to the action word. Okay? With I, you, we and they, we do not add S or ES to the action word. Clear? So with more than one, we do not add S or ES to the action word. And with I, you, we and they, we do not add S or ES to the action word. So the first is Kabir dash in a factory. Kabir works in a factory. So because Kabir is a name of one person. So we have to add S or ES. And in the given exam options, work and works, these two are here. But this is the general word. And here no S or ES is added, but here S is added. So we will choose this one. You dash good English. Speak or speaks. With you we do not add S or ES. So don't add any S or ES. Okay. So answer is speak. So in this way we have to complete this exercise. Now here in group B, we are given a box with some action words and we have to choose the correct action words and we have to fill the blanks. Okay, my Mr. Bose teaches us English. Okay, in this way they burst into laughter. Okay, the hawker sells carpets. Group C, correct the action words in these sentences. One has been done for you. So in these sentences we have to correct the action words. But how? I have told you that when we talk about one person, animal or thing, we will add S or ES to the action word. And when we talk about two or more people, animals, things, then we will not add S or ES. With I, you, we and they, we do not add S or ES. Okay? So number 1 is already done for us. I need some water, because with I we do not use S or ES to the action word. So here would be need. Okay. Mother go to the office. Here we have to add S or ES. So because mother is one person, mother, only one mother, but we have to add S or ES to the action word go. So do you know we have to add ES? Yes, because as I told you, the words ending in O, S, SH, TCH, CH, X, then we have to add ES to those action words. Okay? So you have to add ES here. Goes, G-O-E-S. Ship sail across the sea. This is wrong. So firstly though you have to find out the wrong and you will circle or underline on your own way, and then you will rewrite the sentences correctly. Ship sails across the sea. Okay? Ship sails, only one ship, so add S or ES, and generally we add S to the action words. So here we will add only S, because at the last there is no S, no SS, no SH, no TCH, no O at the last. So we cannot add ES here. Okay? Here only S will be added at the last. The guard watch the house. This is the wrong one. The guard watches the house. Watch would be shifted to watches, ES, because Lastly, we are getting TCH. So as a rule, we have to add ES. So students, you must learn these 3 rules. Along with these, you have to learn as this is written in one and many. And here this is for naming words, but here you will not write for naming words. You will learn in this way. We add ES to the action words ending in X, SH, SS, S, TCH and O. Okay? And generally we add S to the action words. Only these 2 rules. Only then you can complete this exercise nicely. So hope you have enjoyed this class. Thank you.